Good morning, and we're continuing with our series on the Seydel Symphony Grand Chromatic, and today we're going to be talking, and I'm going to be showing you about something called the left and right hand convertible slide. So the instrument comes from factory with the button on the right, but if you're left-handed and you want to play left-handed, it provides a way to do that. So I'm going to show you now what that is. Okay, this is a partially deconstructed Seydel Symphony, and you'll see that over here there is a slot, and in that slot right now I have the slide spring. But if you go over here to this side, you'll see that there is another slot. And if you want to change the instrument from a right-handed button to a left, you can easily do so. I'll kind of explain how it works. This, of course, is the plate bass, or what I call a flat blank. And of course, it fits right like this, okay? And then you would put on, of course, your mouthpiece here and your slide. Well, if you want to put the button on the left, all you have to do is come over here on the left. You see this little button, this little screw here, that holds in the slide spring. So you loosen this up, take this slide spring out, it's very easy to do, and go ahead and install it into that hole. And of course it has another screw hole here on the underside of that cover for it. And then all you do is just take and put this in with the little horizontal piece over here, and put the rest of it together, and you have a left-hand button harp. I think, what is it, 10% of the population is left-handed, so I think they're going to appreciate that. Of course, it doesn't change the tuning because you just flip the slide around, so it works the same. That's the story. Take care.